Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure direct stock purchase plans with TD Ameritrade. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring direct stock purchase plans with TD Ameritrade, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the TD Ameritrade homepage by typing the URL into the address bar. If you don't already have an account, click on the Open Account button. If you already have an account, click on the Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password, then click on Login to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Research tab in the main navigation menu. Hover over the Research tab and select Stocks from the drop-down options. In the search bar, enter the name or ticker symbol of the company you're interested in. Review the search results and click on the desired company to access its detail page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Investing with Dividends, Direct Stock Purchase Plans. Click on the link to learn more about the direct stock purchase plan for that specific company. Read through the information provided, focusing on the eligibility and requirements. If you decide to proceed, look for the option to enroll or sign up for the direct stock purchase plan. Follow the prompts to fill out the required information, such as your financial details and investment preferences. Make sure to review the plan's terms and conditions, and agree to them before moving forward. After completing the enrollment form, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your enrollment status. Once enrolled, monitor your account for details on your next steps and contributions. Remember to check back periodically for any updates or changes to your direct stock purchase plan. By following these steps, you can easily configure a direct stock purchase plan with TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.